Hi, my name is Jenna. I'm in the Aesthetics program at LJIC here in Cedar Rapids. You can follow me on Instagram at Jenna_Bryce, BRYCE_Aesthetics. This is my model. We're going to show you how to shape the eyebrows. Our first step is to find the proper ABC points. So for A, we will measure from the side of the nose directly up. This is A. And B, look straight at me. B will go across the pupil. This is B. And C will go directly diagonal, and that will be C. She already has a perfect shaped eyebrow here. So to fill in the brow, you can either use an eyeshadow or a pencil. Today we will be using an eyeshadow, and we will be using brown. So we'd like to make a nice line at the bottom to get the shape. Always remember A, B, and C start on the side of the nose. A should be here. Directly across the pupil will be point B, and point C right at the end. With following these ABC steps, you'll end up with a perfect eyebrow.